553, we have fixed some things, but some things are still broken and we don't know what. So in file 896, within our thumbnail renderer function, we fixed some mistakes. Let's go all the way down here. This is bug fix room offset. If we take T7X, T7Y, and we minus 1, we'll get the R5X, R5Y value. We can bounds check it here, make sure that it's within the proper range. And then we're going to get the room pebble origin X and Y, the top left pebble coordinate in global coordinates, global pebble coordinates, global to the renderable space, the top left corner of the level pack. And we need to get this so that we can add the local tile X and tile Y. Did I say the top left corner of the level pack? No, that's this. This is the top left corner of the room within the level pack. So this is the top left corner of the level pack, and then we add this to get to the top left corner of the room within the level pack. Then this is the local tile X, tile Y within the level. And so we add the origin, and then we add TX and Y, and now we have the correct global tile X, global tile Y. Then we also added this checkered background as a sanity check. So if there's no geometry, we render a checkered background. In TileBoy, the hit test function was returning negative values, which makes no fucking sense. And the reason is because it's JavaScript. So after you do your bit packing math, you must right shift by 0 to interpret this logic as unsigned logic. I was not doing that, so I fixed that. Okay, in TileBoy unit test main, I don't think we did anything here, and I don't know why there's any breakpoints here. Yeah, this was from the previous video. I have no fucking clue why these breakpoints are still here. Because now it's fucking slowing me down, and we need to get the fuck out of here. Here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes. And then here's what we did in this video. We did a hell of a lot of stuff. You can pause here to read that. And I gotta get out of here. So if you want a longer explanation of what I did, you can go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. You're on the Kanji Coder playlist, which is a very advanced playlist that goes very fast. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO, a pocket Bomberman, side-scroller Bomberman kind of game with fully destructible fractal geometry.